Hmm? Dude, why don't you just eat? It's lunch, not rocket science. I wish it were that easy. It's not just about food, you know. Eating disorders aren't a choice. Eating disorders are real mental health conditions. It's not just about being picky. There's much more to it than that. Come on, Matthew. It's been months. Shouldn't you be over it by now? PTSD isn't about how long it's been. It actually changes the way your brain handles stress, chemicals, hormones, and everything. Healing takes time. PTSD can affect anyone, not just soldiers. Support matters. Hey, you guys know you don't have to face this by yourself, right? I'm here if you ever want to talk. Thanks, bro. We really appreciate it. Sometimes just having someone listen can make all the difference. Whether it's speaking up, breaking the stigma, or simply being there,